Hey guys, so I got a few more packages that have arrived today. I'm probably just gonna unbox them and show you what I've got. So yeah, I'll just open this one. So I got some Ralliart sock covers for my clutch master cylinder and the power steering fluid. So yeah, they look all good. It's good because everything I pretty much have is Ralliart branded and it's red pretty much under the hood, so it'll go well with the theme. That's so good. So I've got, oopsies, I've got some more red washers, so I'm gonna chuck them in my engine bay just to tidy things up a bit. Yeah, I think I've got a few of them. Look nice, just make it stand out more. More nuts and bolts, so sweet. So this one's my HKS turbo timer, so I'm probably gonna store this in my next vid, make a different video just for this one. Sweet. Sweet. So I think this should be my PVC caps, so I can chuck it on my engine bay and intake. Cap off the old piping that used to go to the rocket cover for the breather ports, so I can run a aftermarket catch can. It's got a whole pack, lots of different sizes, just so I can cap off some of the ones I don't need, because I'll be running an aftermarket catch can. This is gay dog. So probably just pull off the old wiring. Sweet, so I'm just gonna cap off these vacuum ports that I won't be using anymore, and I'll be just running 2 for the catch can. Just find some plugs. Sweet, once I found the right one, I'll just cable tie that on. That's the catch can I'll be running. I was running this on my old Honda, but ended up keeping it, so yeah. This is a 2-liter one with the filter, just 2 ports, that's all I need. So I had a random bracket lying around, so I ended up using it so I can maybe chuck it on around here, just like that, behind the sun filter. Just let the catch can sit down there. So yeah, next I will just be taking off my intake just from here, just so I can get a better view, more room to play with. I'll disconnect the MAF. So yeah, I'm planning on using this hole here. So I'll mount this like this, straight from underneath, and let it hang just below. And the filter will just sit here. It's not much room here in like the Evo X engine bay. There's some kits that you can get that have like smaller filters that sit here and like around here for aftermarket radiator tank as well. But yeah, so yeah, I got it pretty cheap on as well. That one's only for like Probably 40 bucks online if you really want to buy one. Yeah. Sweet. So since I'm only going to be running one bolt up the back, I'm going to try Loctite it just so help it stay then it doesn't come off from all the vibration in the engine bay. Yeah, this one out. Sweet, so once you find a good position for it, if you've done the same, just start tightening the nut down, back of the catch can. So yeah, nice and solid. Actually thinking more safe. Sweet, just to be a bit more safer. Sweet. Spray hoses and rubbish. Let's try off the intake. It's just perfect. Sweet as. That's the catch can just underneath there. It's quite tight fitment, but it's perfect for me. But soon I'll be running a 4-inch intake to a bigger turbo. So my intake will stop up to here and I won't really cover that anymore. So that's all good for now. So the turbo will be coming soon with the new intake. But yeah, looks all good. Caps are all good. Like how I tie these things up. So you don't have to have the extra hose flapping up. Sweet. So yeah, I'm just gonna install the socks now into the power steering reservoir and the clutch master. So just I can't really shove this one down because see how there's a bolt in this thing, the bracket for it here. So I'm gonna have to take it off and slide down and put it back on. I think that's the number 12. The power steering. Nice clean since I already opened it up. Just line these bolts up real quick and I can adjust the sock to how I like it. Sweet, so let's give it a quick look. That's the catch can there, underneath the intake. It's real tight. That's where I capped it off. Vacuum plug. Let's give a quick look at the washers as well. Installed a few of them around the fender line. Some on the spark plugs. Those are the socks, one from power steering reservoir and the clutch master reservoir. Some more washers.